Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to use Granville Instant Gasket Sealant. Today we'll be demonstrating how to repair an oil sump using this handy product. So let's get started. So preparation, so first of all you're going to clean the surface of your oil sump, which will look like this because of that horrible nasty sealant on it. Make sure it's free from any old gasket material. And you're also going to clean the main surface on the bottom of the engine block, which will look like this. You can use degree setting rag, just make sure you don't scratch the surfaces too much or damage them with a screwdriver, because obviously it's not going to make a very good seal. To applying the sealant, now it's time to apply the Granville Instant Gasket Sealant. So you're going to squeeze a thin, even bead sealant around the surface of the oil sump. Be sure to apply all the way around the perimeter of the main surface. So you're going to pierce a small little hole in there, okay, and then cut the end off the cap itself with a sanding knife. It's important that you don't cut too much off this cap, okay, because what will happen is it will put too much sealant in. When you tighten it down, some of that sealant will come into the engine block itself, which will then block your oil pickup. Now I'm putting a small bead on there, okay, emphasis on small, and I'm working my way around the bolt threads as well. So this should create a correct seal even around where the bolts are. It's important that once this is fully on, that you give it a 10 to 15 minute cure time to allow it to go tacky before even assembling it on the main surface. So double check that the main surface is clean, like mine is, and then you're going to place the sump on very carefully, okay? You want to make sure you get this bang on first time, because what will happen is if you put it on and squidge it over, you're going to ruin that silicone seal. So make sure you get it on square first time and then slowly put in the bolts. Now don't put them up all the way, put them on a little bit so they're sort of pinching, and then you're going to want to torque them from the center outwards like so. So for this diagram we're going to go red, then the greens, and then the blues. This just pushes any air bubbles outwards. Torque settings of your vehicle, I've gone for 11 Nm of torque on the Peugeot 208. Wait 24 hours and then top up with oil. It's important that you wait 24 hours. Just clean a rag underneath the vehicle than I did, so you can easily identify leaks, and then wipe around the circumference of the sump to make sure there's no leaks. If you're 100% happy before you set off, sure everything's tight and leak free. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.